I'm Adrjana. I'm from Serbia, and I choose Poland because of the basketball. I play basketball professional in Lotos Dinja, and I have 24 years. Because I play in a lot of countries, I play in French, in Spain, in Italy, so this is like professional life. I heard a lot of good stories about Poland and the Polish people, and we are like similar, like Serbian people. So I think it was for me. I think this time it was easier to come here because I know that we are similar. People drink too much, and it was funny for me because like I say before that we are like similar, so we like to drink too. They told me like, yeah, be careful, because like they like to go to the parties and everything, and but I like it. The second I hear that they have like so good sausages, and I still didn't try it, but I hope that I will try soon. The most popular right now, it's like folk. I don't know if you have here, it's like folk or turbo folk. All the songs that we have in Serbia, like the Serbian music, they're more like I don't know how to call it, like sensitive and like touch you inside, remind you or something, some moment, some person. So we just when we start to listen to that music, we just need to drink, and men usually they just start to breaking glasses, breaking bottles, everything that they have close. So, but here I don't know, I didn't go to the typical place when they put the Polish music. I like it. We went in one club and it was nice music. The people around was nice. Because usually in Serbia, when you go out, you have a trouble sometimes. Because when they put really Serbian traditional music, like that folk music, the men, when they drink a little bit much, they just dance on the table, take the glasses, break on the floor, this kind of stuff we're doing. So when you go in the typical place in Serbia, you have to be careful. I think that the people in Serbia are more patriot and they really like our music, But you also can go in the clubs and listen what is in the world, the music hip hop, pop, rock, whatever. The one thing that I like it is because the men's are dancing, and that I like it, because in Serbia, usually just the women's dance, and the men just sitting on the bar with the friends drinking, but here I saw a lot of men that they are dancing and they don't care about that too much. The first connection that we have with the Polish language is on the court, of course. I have in my team, I have also one friend that she's from Serbia, Ines Ajanovic. And we are just talking, and we have one practice outside in the soccer stadium. And we are running, and the coach, the Polish one, say yeah, now girls, we will go pravo. And pravo in Serbia means straight. And pravo in Polish means right. So everybody go right, and me and my friend just keep going straight, and everybody watching us and we start laughing because we didn't know. I think that we have really similar words, and when the Polish players talk slowly, sometimes you can understand. For learn Polish, it's not hard for us, I think, So we need some times to just keep some words, and I think it's really not difficult. For example, dobra noć, it's the same in Serbia. We can say dobra noć. My first experience, they're nice and they're gentlemen. To compare to Spanish men, they're more tall, more stronger, and they're more I don't know how to explain that, but white, you know, like blonde. Most of the men are blonde, you know, but I don't know, it's like similar like the Serbian men's, and I saw some of a cute men, so maybe I will find here a boyfriend. When I'm here, I can tell that I feel like that I'm in Serbia, but like when I'm here, I feel that I'm really close to my house, you know, because like we are really like similar in everything, in the language, in the food that they eat, the way how you live, it's more or less the same way like how we live, so it's not a big difference between Serbia and Poland. It's so cold. I mean, the people from Serbia also will say, yeah, but it's cold in Serbia too. But like how I play in Spain, and I play in islas, like 2 islands in Canarias and Mallorca, and there is hot like during the whole year. So like I just miss that time. In Serbia, when you go in the same place 2-3 times, so they will say like, good morning, how are you? You know, are you okay today? You know, but here, no, they are like really like just like doing their job, you know. Our politics stuff in Serbia are really like difficult, since I think that everyone knows about story about Yugoslavia when we are separate, and like I said about the music, like we are really like patriot people, like especially men. We are like really small country, but we are like, we will fight until the end, until dead, you know, for such little things about us. So, but I think that now it's time to little bit change all this stuff and to be more open for all the peoples, all countries. And I think that we go in a good way. And right now, I think that nobody have problem with Croatia, with Bosnia. Compared to Polish politic, I think that the Polish people are also like patriots, and they love their country so much, and they will fight like us, you know, like they will fight for everything, just to get right that the Polish is the best in everything, you know. When we say like that we are from Serbia, they say, you're crazy people. Just not, but in a good way, not in a bad way, just because we like to have fun. One day we just walking by the center in Gdynia, and we need some help, and some Polish man we ask him like, where is something, and he just like asked, where are you from? And we say like that we are from Serbia, and he was like so surprised and so nice with us. He told us like that we are brothers, and that's make me inside like so happy. And I was like so like, and in that moment I feel like safe here. Pozdravljam internautu Wirtualna Polska. Samo želim da vam kažem svima ćao i da uživate i koristite svaki trenutak da uživate u životu.